Hello, everyone. So, just wanted to share with you my new mount on my helmet. Many of you have requested or are commenting now on my previous video when they see how the mount is on my helmet on which I attach my GoPro. So, today I decided, since I changed the mount from that thing that I had right in front on the cheek, let me show it to you now. So what I had before was this thing. This has like 3 clips. It attaches to the mount here, but what it was doing was blocking the wind, so it was getting pretty hot inside the helmet, and was uncomfortable after some time. So and plus I was always scared that this thing might break. So it's good to have it as a backup, but not the best from what my experience is. What I got now is this thing. So I bought this thing on Amazon, uh, you know, 3M tape, a security, attachment here, and this is the mount. The GoPro goes on top of it and basically looks very nice. Again, on the side here, I have the wind open, so breathing is not an issue, but overall a pretty good experience. Let me show you how it looks while riding.
Hello everyone, good morning. Beautiful day today, as you can probably see from my view. Such low level of clouds here, and I'm on Airport Road going up 5th Side Road, which is right close to Orangeville, Caledon, all those areas. Beautiful day today to ride and enjoy. A little bit of mist as well. Expected a thunderstorm, but we've been getting those fault warnings for quite a few days. I wouldn't be surprised if we end up in one while riding. This is the view from my new mount that I showed you. So I changed the mount from my that one that I had to the one that I showed you in my video. And the reason was so I could breathe in properly. The last mount was blocking the airflow inside the helmet and wasn't giving me that comfortable feeling. But with this mount, the view is probably amazing. I'll see it once I get home too. I don't feel much difference. But for now, the road is absolutely amazing. Very nice view. Look at this view. Beautiful, scenic, nice weather, 22 degrees. Couldn't have asked for a better day and a better road. Very, very nice. So if you are in Ontario again, riding, make sure to ride on Airport Road. This is Airport Road. Beautiful long road for about a few 100 kilometers. Stretches all the way north from Toronto Pearson Airport to further north with beautiful scenic views, like I said, like this one. You honestly won't regret. It's a view that you'll probably want to be on quite some time. Just make sure that you are within the speed limit, as typically a lot of cops here, as there are houses and over time the population, the traffic has increased, makes it hard for residents to live. So a lot of complaints that ended up in a lot of cops being around here.